Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one, we are going to be attempting to start a company completely on Instagram. Now this video is going to be part of a larger series on the Financial Wolf channel where we're going to start an Instagram page, grow it to about 5,000 followers, and then we're going to monetize that page by selling a product to our audience. I hope what I just said wasn't too confusing, but don't worry guys, I'm going to be walking you guys through this entire process step by step so you can go along with me on this journey if you would like. Now everyone, with that all being said, let's get into the video. Alright everyone, so the first thing you need to do to start your very own business on Instagram is you need to pick a niche for your Instagram page. Now this is very important so that you get a targeted audience following your page, and that target audience will eventually be interested in a product you have to sell. So for example, if you have just a general based Instagram page, you have no idea what your audience is interested in, and therefore it will be more difficult for you to sell them products. While if you have an Instagram page in a specific niche like skateboarding, swimming, being a doctor, really anything, you will be able to know what your audience is interested in, and this will help you sell more products and become more profitable. The niche I am going to be picking for my Instagram page to keep this video interesting is golden retrievers. Don't ask me why I've decided to pick this niche. I think it's going to be a lot of fun because who doesn't like golden retrievers? I feel like I can get a lot of awesome content out on an Instagram page in that niche, and it also won't be very difficult to find a product to sell to my audience. So everyone, with that all out of the way, now that I've picked a niche, we're going to go ahead and set up the Instagram page. As you guys can see right over here, we are on the Instagram application now, and I've just created my Instagram page. The username I have for this page is Pups Golden, and the reason I picked that username is because this page is going to be all about golden retrievers, and the username Pups Golden kind of matches with the entire theme of what this page is going to be about. And a lot of the other usernames were already taken, and Pups Golden was the best username I could actually find for a page like this. So I'm going to be using that for this video. Now I basically just have to go ahead and set up this page. I'm going to be adding a profile picture, and I'm going to be putting a few posts on the page to get started, just so the page starts getting a general theme on it and it starts looking a little bit more professional. And I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm not going to bore you guys with all of the details. I'm going to time lapse through this entire process, and then I'm going to show you guys what I did. Alright everyone, so I now have my Instagram page pretty well set up here. I have a profile picture added, I've got a nice bio, and I've got 2 videos added and 1 picture. So I've got a little bit of a theme going in terms of posts. I have 2 videos that I found from the Explore page actually of golden retrievers, so I already know these posts are doing well, so I decided to repost them on my Instagram page to see if they would do well for me as well. I'm honestly not too familiar with Instagram. I just know that a lot of people steal other people's posts on Instagram, so I'm going to be doing the same thing with this account to kind of get some growth going. And I've also posted 1 picture that I found on Instagram on a big page that did do very well. This was posted a few weeks ago on one of the biggest golden retriever pages, and it got like 10 times the amount of likes that their normal post got. So I'm definitely going to be reposting this picture on my account. And other than that, for my caption, I did the best golden retriever page on Instagram, daily golden retriever pictures and videos, to let them know that I'm going to be posting probably about twice every single day on Instagram with an awesome picture or a video. Posting as much as possible on Instagram really does help you with the Instagram algorithm. I'm going to continuously be posting on this golden retriever page every single day. My goal is to post about 2 times every single day because that's what I've heard the Instagram algorithm favors in terms terms of post quantity. Now that our Instagram page is pretty much all set up and ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and sign up for the software known as Jarvee. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with the software Jarvee, it's basically a program that will go out and like random people's posts, and it will also do tactics like follow and unfollow to give your page more exposure. Now, I know a lot of you guys watching are probably not fans of tactics like this, but from what I've read about growing on Instagram, these tactics are necessary in the beginning of a page to kickstart its growth. It's very hard to grow a page from absolutely 0 followers without any sort of software helping you or without any follow unfollow program. So I'm actually going to hop on my computer right now, and I'm going to be purchasing this software, and I'm going to show you guys how much this software costs me, and I'm also going to give you guys an overview of how I set this software up. Alright everyone, so we are here on my computer right now, and as you can see, I'm on the Jarvee website about to purchase a subscription for one of my Instagram pages, and this is definitely going to help my Instagram account grow so much faster. The $30 per month cost is 100% worth it, because if I don't have the Jarvee bot working on my Instagram page, it's going to take me extremely long to grow to just 1,000 or 2,000 followers on Instagram. So guys, with that all being said, I'm going to go ahead and buy a 1-month subscription to Jarvee. Okay everyone, so I'm just about to check out for this software purchase. $29.95 is the total, and I'm just gonna go ahead and click pay now. And just like that, guys, as you can see, I have just purchased a $29.95 per month subscription to Jarvee. Okay everyone, so now that we've purchased a subscription to Jarvee, we're going to go ahead and hop on the program. As you can see, guys, it is already working hard. It's following people, it's unfollowing people already, and hopefully our golden retriever page will be able to grow way faster with this bot. I'm not planning on using this long term. I'm just using it temporarily so that I can kickstart the growth of this Instagram page. I'm not going to go through everything there is to know about Jarvee in this video, because to be honest, I don't really know a whole lot about the software myself. Pretty much the only thing I know how to do is I know how to set up the account so that it works with your Instagram. And if you guys want to learn how to do that, I'll actually have the video linked in the description that I used. Now everyone, if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you so much. The next episodes of this series are going to be extremely interesting, as we're going to get a little bit further in this journey and we're going to be able to start monetizing our Instagram account. If you're excited for that, please be sure to drop a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for all of the support, and peace out.